free software, which is very important. It is a video platform that is designed to help educators to lecture recording, video streaming, and easily making them available to students, colleagues, and even people outside university. Actually, one of the most common uses of Panopto record lectures with easy to use software. And also you can add quizzes to these lecture to enhance student engagement and make share and access simple for students. The other thing, you can use Panopto flip classroom. Teachers can create short video lecture and students can watch these videos in advance to help them to learn all the key points that they need before class begins. I want to know why a benefit of choosing Panopto. It's versatile. Panopto can capture anything on your computer screen, PowerPoint, slides, document cameras, and once it captured, all these recording processed into web format, so the students can watch on any device. Integrated, all these recordings can be easily part of your course materials, and students can access to these recording using their ID and password. Searchable, Panopto automatically indexes all of your recordings. So if your students want to search for particular video or lecture, they only need to use the words that mentioned in the lecture or displayed on the screen or appear anywhere else in the video. Having these lectures available for the students actually has several benefits. Students can review lecture materials before exam. They also can review lecture materials several times until they are able to understand difficult concepts. For the students who are sick or dealing with job or family issues, they can catch up on class materials. Also, it helps students, especially we have students, they have a problem to concentrate in a class or writing notes with Panopto or lecture recording. Students can listen during the class and not worry about taking notes. Actually, I'm using Panopto in my math class, and I provide a good feedback from my students because they are using it almost up before test, and when they have any problem in understanding any concept, they keep watching it until it's clear to them, because it's also include the class discussions also. How to record your lecture? It's very easy. Panopto has very little setup time. You don't need to prepare ahead before class in order to record your lecture. All what you need to do, launch the app and then log in. Then the lecture, so the lecture will appear Okay, so the lecture recording window will appear as you see in this slide. Once you want to record, just click on the red button or click F8. Then Panopto will start automatically capture your PowerPoint or your main screen or any additional video sources you want to add. After you finish, you click stop, then automatically your video will okay, then your video will appear on your okay.
Waila, hang on, I'm trying to move it for you.
Okay.
I'm having trouble too, so don't worry about the time.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
So, yeah, thank you. So your video will look like what you see in this slide. If you want to do any changes on your video, you can with the Panopto editor, you can trim parts of these videos. You can add PowerPoint to your lecture, and also you add video. Plus, you can create quizzes between the slides of the video, so your students can watch the video and do practice to be sure that they understand the concept perfectly. Then, when you are done, you can click save. Then now your video is ready to be part of your course. To do this, it's very easy. All what you need to do, you need to create a label. From the label editor, you need to click on the Panopto icon, as you see in the red, as it's indicated in red. Then you will have a page has all your recorded video. You check the box near the video that you want to share, then automatically your video will appear on your course, and your students will be able to watch these video anytime and many times. Actually, teachers can with lecture capturing, teacher can transfer their classroom experience into online training with minimal effort to help students to learn better and succeed. Um, at the end, actually, I want to thank you for giving me a chance to share my experience in using Panopto, and thank you.